What's up, landlords? Renee here, the forever landlord, as you might know. Those of you that are inside of Landlording School, I got great news where we can share some profits with each other and grow the community and just add more value. So let me share my screen and show you the good news that just came out today with the new Skool affiliate program. I'm about to turn on the setting right now with you guys, and then I'll explain a little bit more about it afterwards. But this is really exciting for me, and I wanted to share it with you guys since it just came out. I am about to set the affiliate commission right now. What do you guys think I should set it as? They're encouraging the 40%, but I was wanting to actually go 50% because now if I select 50%, you only have to refer 2 other members to Landlording School and you get your monthly reoccurring membership covered. And the same goes for if you upgrade to an annual membership. The dashboard is amazing from what I heard. It does automatically all the counting and computing, and it takes out the taxes for you. So it's really super simple for the users. Skool is changing the game going forward, which is pretty epic. The old way is like YouTube, where a creator shares whatever content, grows a community, and gets a following, and then the platform does a little partnership with the creator. But unfortunately, the users sacrifice their experience. Like, they're the ones that get thrown to the wolves, and I don't like it. I don't know about you guys, but I hate it when they lock the skip ad button and make you wait for the countdown before you get to click. And then some of the creators start learning, wow, I make a lot of money, let me turn on or increase the ad pop-ups and all this stuff on my channel, because I think the creator has some kind of control. Also, another problem that happens with a creator, once they get incentivized to make money off of all these ads and all these like fees and everything, but it's at the cost of the users, they start doing like sponsors, and then you have to skip ahead because they break up their content. And then another thing they do that I don't like is they will draw out their content longer so it meets the requirements to have another ad show. And I don't know all the rules because I'm not monetized on YouTube, but I do know the gist of, like, I think it's every 10 minutes or something. Like, an ad will pop up in the beginning. If your video is longer than 10 minutes, then they'll have the opportunity to pop up another ad and stuff. But basically, the problem with that is the user gets the short end of the stick. So the new way, which Skool is epic and awesome, they're letting the creator and the user partner together and make income and grow the community and make more value in the community. So obviously, Skool doesn't run ads, so their revenue model is different. They have to make a really good platform for the creators to want to come and pay to be on the platform. Then they offer all these cool incentives and stuff, and like affiliates for the creators to invite other creators to help grow the Skool platform. And just today, they're now letting the creators and the users partner together to make income together and make the community better for everybody, the creators and the users. And that's what's happening today. If you're a user in any paid community on Skool, you can now invite other people to that same community, and depending on how the admin has their commission set up, you will be able to make some money every month for whoever stays, however long they stay. But the problem is, which will actually be bad but good in the long run, if you want to keep getting your commission, your affiliate income as a user, you have to stay in the paid community. Because if you ever leave that community, you're forfeiting and sacrificing all the future revenues that you could get, or any of the paying current revenue that you're currently getting right now, which is epic, I think, because it's only going to make Skool as the platform so much more better, and it's going to bring so many more people to it, and just all around just make the platform just amazing. I wanted to set my affiliate commission as high as possible because I'm a little fish. I'm helping out landlords, so we can cash flow forever and get real freedom. But with Skool, I'm trying to foster a great community. So I hope with this new affiliate program that we have here, and I have the commission set to 50%, that you guys are willing to participate more and encourage and recommend the community more, and know that this is like a forever passion project of mine, and I'm putting everything, my heart and soul into it. And I want to partner with you guys and do this together as a community. And I'm not a guru. I'm here to learn just as much, but I have 10 years of experience of long distance self-managing, and I've done a lot and put in a lot of effort to start off, our journey together. So let me know what you think. I hope that's good for you guys and you like it, and I'll see you guys around. See ya.